Alright, what did we accomplish today?
What's gravy in the Navy, little babies? It's your boy FaZe Banks back here with another live COD commentary. Just kidding. Alright, what did we get accomplished today? We got a new camera, man. And Spencer checked off one of his beers. Yo, I see that.
Oh my
it's
god.
It's up and looking at me, bro. And got the wagon moving again because I let the battery just absolutely die. Spencer, I swear to God, if you're all the way zoomed in right now.
I'm not.
Zoomed in a little bit's fine.
I'm not
How's
zoomed
the
in
lighting,
at all.
Spencer?
Really good.
Really? Yeah, like for real?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Bet.
Yeah.
Well,
And the boom mic.
Yeah, we got the boom mic. You know what I'm saying? Dude, what did Joshua do? World of T-shirts. He would go. He's like, I'm banned. He's like, I'm banned from the Gucci store. That's what he would say. By Louis because he's banned from the Gucci store. Dude, that's literally copyright content. That's literally copyright.
No, it's not.
Dude, are you dumb? It's on TV. We can't just record TV.
We're not recording the TV.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it. So what's up? We got any questions for me right now?
Just keep slurping the Mountain Dew.
Alright.
Slurp the Mountain Dew.
Cut it. Cut it right there.
I'm not cutting it.
Your price is way too high. You have to cut it. Cut it, bro. For real. Fucking turn it off. God damn, bro. Hit the red button. What is going on, guys? I'm gonna try something different today, and that's gonna be Fitz uncut live vlog. So just stream of consciousness, try to be exactly how I am in real life. Well, not try to act, but just try to exist. So it's Spencer and I out here today. Spencer finally got his truck back after how long of not having it?
Just a week.
Probably like a week, but got the whole front end refreshed, and this thing feels great. So we're going to lunch. Where'd you say we were going?
Flying Saucer.
Flying Saucer, Raleigh, NC. I think it's a beer. What'd you say it was? A beer?
Emporium.
What? Emporium. All right. Well, Spencer, big beer guy over here. We're going to a beer emporium for lunch. So we're gonna have to try the chicken sandwich. That is what was recommended to me by Spencer. So we'll see, man. We'll see. Shitty, rainy ass day. Y'all are coming along with me. Spencer's like membership card. Here you go. Go ahead. What do? You scan it?
You can only have
18 bucks.
You can only have 3 beers a day on that card, but you can have more. And if you get 200 beers, you can put a plate up on the wall.
Oh yeah.
And you can put anything or any kind of picture you want on it.
Oh man, so like it's like a beer club basically.
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh my God, Spencer's trying to get me to sign up for my 21st. I don't drink a whole lot. I don't. Yeah, that's what everybody has told me, dude. It's once I turn 21, is that I will drink a whole lot. But we'll see, man. We'll see. I will definitely go with Spencer on my 21st to get a beer because we have to. Nice stock little E30 over there, dude. All right, so you're saying Second Empire, you will spend more than at Ruth's Chris?
Yeah, 100%.
I don't know about that, man. Ruth's Chris is pretty freaking expensive.
You will though.
Dude, to any of my friends, like Pacific Northwest friends out there, this feels exactly how I imagine it over there. So just rainy and just shit weather all day. Somebody let me know. What do you mean? Did you get spacers or something? Dear God. All right, you already know. We fitted up. We got the fresh Vans shirt. We got the shorts and the old Vans. We fitted up today. Throwing sand at me, bro? What are you doing? Okay, all right, asshole, let's go eat. Spencer's like, oh my God, yeah, look at my truck back there. Oh, my truck, oh, look at my truck. Absolutely dead down here, dude. Dead. Here it is, the Flying Saucer. Spencer, what you getting? What you getting for lunch today, bro?
Chicken sandwich, baby.
Chicky Sammy?
Yeah.
If you guys have glasses, you guys will know how shit it is to walk around in the rain with glasses. And yeah, I know I don't have the coat, my rain jacket on, but it's not gonna do a whole lot. Alright, so here's the menu. I'm pretty sure we're going, is it the kick-ass chicken sandwich? Kick-ass chicken Sammy. And I mean, so far it looks like just an average chicken sandwich, but we'll find it out. Spencer,
Not average.
let me see this. Spencer got a beer, and you go scan your card, order your beer, New England IPA, whatever the hell that says, and then it counts towards your plate, which you guys can see there's plates absolutely everywhere, but I don't know, man, adding them up. All right, Spencer just got an orange juice. Spencer got a mimosa here. I'm just kidding. What's it taste like, man? What you feeling? It tastes like pretty good.
Cold beer is a good beer.
Yeah, I might be driving us home. Spencer goes off the rails here. We'll see. We'll see. All right, lunch has been served. Spencer's beer smacks, and we better try the chicken sandwich. I will update you guys momentarily.
Fresh.
Moist. Total bill, $19.77. Spencer's was what? $26. It was worth it. It was worth it though. It's pretty good, man. Place smacks. All right, Flying Saucer. Until next time. This place is great. Let's do it. Overall, man, it was pretty good. So to my understanding, it's an $18 fee. You get your, card, and then from there you can have up to 3 beers a day, and you have to get to 300 total counted beers to get your plate put on the wall. So it's definitely a good idea. Creates a fun environment. It seemed like a coffee shop, but for people who like beer. So it's pretty good. All right, Spencer, smile next to your wall. When Spencer told me about his decision to become a truck owner, I didn't really understand, but him joining the community was great. I'm very accepting of him and his ways, and do a pull. Y'all remember that fucking loser who crashes M2 and then had the audacity he's like, man, you talking a lot of shit online. I'm like, yeah, you crashed your M2 at a Cars and Coffee, bro. Shut up. It's pretty great. Oh yeah, my truck. Oh.
Dog.
What?
Are you fucking kidding me?
Well, so can we get out now or what?
No, open the gate up. I'm serious. Open the fucking gate up.
There it goes. I don't know. I don't know why it took 8 years. If anybody has any camera recommendations that would be great for everything I do, the main problem I have with this one is the low light and the lack of external audio. So if somebody would like to give me a suggestion for low light, let me know. We're at Best Buy because I want to look at cameras. It's kind of still really rainy because there's a tornado coming. I don't know if it is or not, but it's gonna be a lot of rain here in the following days. We're waiting for it to lighten up, and then we are headed in. So wish us luck. All right, so I think I told you guys we were at Best Buy, and I fully did not expect to buy a camera today, but we did indeed. So the next clips you guys will be seeing will be the new camera. A6400 kit lens, 18-135, external mic, and a storage card. So we'll see you guys at home. Super excited to get this thing set up, and that's gonna be it. Spencer, you're gonna have to carry on the big one now. What do you think?
Well, they don't know yet. They don't know yet. What are you talking about?
They do. I told them in the truck. All right, so even though I told you guys the next clip you saw was gonna be on the new camera, this is still the old one. The new camera is set up. It is just charging. So We have to take the battery out of the wagon, take it into Advance and charge it. While the camera's charging, I'm gonna do that and we'll pick back up with the new camera. All right, y'all, we are now live from the new camera. So I'll go more into depth, more into detail on what exactly I picked up today, but hopefully you guys can see and tell already just how much better this camera is. So, Emmy, do you have any thoughts? Do you have any thoughts for us today?
Camera's really nice.
I am super excited on today's purchase.
Yeah, good job. Everyone go drop a like and a comment and a subscribe so Fitz can keep affording.
Let's do it, boys. Hopefully you guys can see here how much of a difference all this makes. So good. So good. So we just dropped off everything at the good old Advance Auto Zone, and now we are headed to Walmart to pick up a few things for this evening. But hopefully we'll be able to pick up the battery before 9. If not, Matt said he would just leave it outside, so we should be all good. Would anybody like to tell us what we're getting here at Walmart? Emmy? We're getting painting supplies because Emmy had a request to paint, so that is what we'll be doing this evening. We have plenty of canvas selection here in Walmart. Also, Spencer, this lighting is just gorgeous on this thing. So good. Come on, bro. Ass man. Ass Pro Shops.
Wait. I'm not done.
Come on, Spencer, we're gonna run out of battery life here.
I don't have enough hands. All right, let's go.
Recording? All right, so we got some test footage here for you. We got our art supplies. Running out of battery life here. We're getting ready to go pick up the wagon battery from Advance, and then we'll be headed back to paint. So let's do it.
What do you want?
One peach milkshake.
Can I do one peach milkshake? What do you want? And then can I do a what do you want?
I just wanted the peach milkshake.
Do you want something?
No, I'm good.
Can I do an Oreo milkshake if y'all have it?
You know what can you carry on top of that?
Yes, please.
Alright, what else can I get for you?
So, out here at night, Spencer's crazy, but out here at nighttime with just so much better nighttime capabilities. I mean, this is awesome. This is with y'all towards the light source, which the other camera would be freaking out. Super happy. Let's go home, put the battery back in, and get to painting. And in the car with LEDs, Spencer, this is lit up like daytime. Emmy, you want to say hello? Hello. So gorgeous. The camera and Emmy. I can't complain, dude. So far, this thing has been absolutely awesome. So beautiful on camera right now. All right, y'all. Well, this is where I'm gonna end today's video. I hope you can tell I'm enjoying this camera so much, so much so far. I am gonna get a spare battery as well as an external battery charger instead of just having to plug the camera in. But I genuinely couldn't be happier so far watching all of these clips back just on the camera itself. And definitely gonna do a lot more vlogs, do a lot more filming now. This thing is great. Huge shout out to Doug and the other guy at Best Buy for help getting this set up. Absolutely amazing. So this has been Fitz Miller, Emmy, Spencer back here with another vlog for today, and we will see you guys in the next one.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye, have a beautiful time.
Bye, have a good time. I figured since we talked about doing art, painting, that stuff, that I should show you guys at least what I'm doing. Spencer, we're just gonna let you guys interpret Spencer's art. And Emmy, do you want me to show yours or not? Okay, so here's mine. Since they don't send out a 10,000 subscriber plaque, I decided to make my own. Here is Spencer's. Let's get a good look at these. He's inspired by Picasso, is what he said. So, Spencer, do you have any notes here on your painting, or just you want to leave it up to the viewers here?
Just leave it.
Leave it. All right, Emmy.
Wow.
Work in progress. Emmy's still painting. That's okay. All right. Well, this is really going to be it for the video now, and have a good night. Subscribe.